install the cyclone tank black tank rinser. So what happened here for the intech sole, the black tank is kind of thin, so instead of drilling 2 inches from the top per the instruction, I'm gonna do around all the way to the very top pretty much. And I'm not going to do it at the end because this long cable here is not going to reach. So use a tape it up and drill the hole. Alright, cyclone installed. So pretty much you get to drill using the template, drill a hole here, here, that, and that. The hardest part is to make a hole in this thing with I believe inch and a 3/4 hole saw or a drill hole. Where I put it like right in the middle. I mean close to the end. But as you can see, this is 2 inches from the top. But since our sole is kind of thin, I pretty much put it at the very top. And there's no easy way out if you need to go to the opposite side or where the dump valve is. So the way I route it is to go through here, zip tie all the way there, and then all the way come out there right behind the wheel. If you guys have any more idea of where to mount the hoses that looks a little bit more professional, let me know. But other than that, yeah, the hardest part I guess is to make the hole in the inch and a 3/4 hole. That's probably the hardest part of the install, because I have to use an inch drill bit and kind of cut it up a little bit, since when I use the hole saw it just keeps sliding off because of this material here. Yep, other than that, that's about it. Alright, so family, for the Cyclone Tornado install for the black tank rinsers, the tools that you need, of course, a Milwaukee saw, drill with a, I believe is 3/8 inch drill bit and a 1/2 inch drill bit, multi-purpose tool in case you're having a bind with a hole saw, of course the drum shears by X shears to cut some stuff, the hole saw 1 3/4, that's the size that you need, screwdriver, of course the sealant, I just use a die-core lap sealant, another one to tighten the hose, and of course the parts itself.